Hi, fifth graders. Today's math lesson is 3-1, multiply greater numbers by powers of 10. The I can statement is I can use place value to mentally multiply whole numbers and powers of 10. Push pause right now to write this new lesson and I can statement on a new page in your math notebook. Push play when you're ready for the lesson. Here is today's problem. At Izzy's party store, party invitations come in packages of 8. How many invitations are in 10 packages? 100 packages or 1,000 packages? Solve this problem any way you choose. Now I want you to push pause and try to solve this problem on your own. Push play when you are ready to resume. Okay, we are back at the problem. What I want to do to solve this problem is first I want to use cubes. The first part of cubes is C, so circle the numbers. I want to circle packages of 8. Oh, sorry, I'm going to put a pin on here. There we go. I want to circle packages of 8. Then there are 10 packages, then 100 packages, and then 1,000 packages. Next, we need to underline the question. So the question is, how many invitations are in 10 packages, 100 packages, and 1,000 packages? Next, we need to box keywords. The keyword I'm looking for is solve and how many, invitations are there. The next thing I want to do is evaluate and visualize. When I visualize this problem, I first think about when I would go to buy a package of invitations for a birthday party. I would have a box that looks like this, or a pack that would have 8 in each package. So the first question in the problem asks, how many invitations are in 10 packages? Well, I know that each package I have has 8 invitations. So I'm going to draw it out. Here are my 10 packages I bought. Okay. So now I have 10 groups of 8, which would be 8 times 10. 8 groups of 10 would equal 80 invitations total. Now, once I've set that up, I can think about, well, if I had a package of 8, how many invitations would I have if I had 100 packages? So here's my package of 8. Now I have 100 packages, which then would give me 800 invitations. Now I'm starting to see a pattern, because next I think, okay, I have one package of 8 invitations, but I'm going to have 1,000 packages. So 8 times 1,000 would be 8,000 invitations. Let's look at other students' work. It looks like Harrison did something similar to what I did. He took 8 times 10 to equal 8 tens, which means 80 invitations. He also wrote out in standard form, in words, what his answer was. He took the next step, which was to find how many were in 100 packages, and then how many were in 1,000 packages, getting a total of 8,000. As he wrote at the bottom to show his thinking, that the standard form of each number has an 8 followed by the same number of zeros as in the power of 10. Next, we have Lena's work. She also did the multiplication right. She took each original package of 8 invitations and multiplied it by 10 to get 8 tens, by 100 to get 8 hundreds, and then by 1,000 to get 8 thousands. She saw the pattern each time she multiplied. It does note on the side that she did not specify units. Okay, next I want you to think about your work and how it was compared to the other students and to your own thinking. Were you right? Were you wrong? If so, do you know what you did or how your thinking changed as you did the problem? Be ready to share your problem-solving method in class tomorrow. Have a good night.